In this new age, gadgets are a mini window of our life. They are the way to fly. They define your world in a new way. They have all our secrets to all our assets. They capture all your happy moments to the moments of your grief. They made your world smaller by bringing you closer to people. We are so much dependent on them. But when your devices aren't working correctly, that is where we help you. With vast experience in repairing various kinds of mobile phones, laptops, and tablets, our experts are proficient in giving quality services within minutes. We are the most trusted gadget repair portal with the fastest turnaround break-fix services. Walk in or book an on-site service on Geniuswefix.